Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best knife grinder for beginners that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Work Sharp Knife and Tool Sharpener. This tool will sharpen kitchen knives at a 40-degree angle. Outdoor blades will sharpen at 50 for perfect results. It is a 110 volts equipment, but it can also run from a 12 volts power source. Its precision-angled sharpening guides ensure that you get the right results every time you use the tool. It uses abrasive belts that are flexible and responsible for the ability to sharpen knives of all sizes. With this grinder, you are sure of fast, easy, and consistent results. All you have to do is repeat the procedure. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Work Sharp Blade Grinder Attachment WSSAKO81112. This knife grinder is made from premium quality materials for newcomers and is manufactured for maximum durability and performance. It comes with a blade grinding attachment that quickly installs to the KTS base. In addition, it measures 8.5 by 2.5 by 6.5 and weighs 7 ounces. It also comes with 5 rough belts such as 1200 extra fine, X4 fine, X22 medium, X65 coarse, and P120 extra thick, thus great for all your works. Also, its belt can work at 900, depending on your project requirements. At number 3, we have the Shop Fox Knife Belt Sander, Buffer W1843. This knife grinder has a cool running 2 by 72 inches abrasive belt and an extended buffing wheel shaft for full access buffing or stropping. The belt can be utilized along the platen, above the platen for free forming, or against the 10 elastic confronted drive wheel. The infinitely adjustable equipment holder provides a stable platform for consistent results. This knife grinder is ideal for sharpening extra long lead turning gauges and chisels. Auxiliary arbor accepts folding wheels for use in buffing wheels, armored drums or fold wheels for use in carpentry applications. At number 2, we have the knife grinder BG2600 by Bucktool. Bucktool's Combo 2, X42, Belt Sander 6 inches seat processor finishing machine is a suitable power material for universally effective sanding and completing on most metals, wood, plastics, and various materials. You can do all the typical operations, including surfacing, finishing, sanding, grinding, polishing, and deburring with that. Its heavy-duty construction gives long life, an induction motor that provides the needed power running under load. The belt action can be located either horizontally or vertically. Cast iron belt sander work table that can provide better support when sharpening. And finally, at number 1, we have the KKmoon Multifunctional Grinder. This tool is a mini portable, low-noise, multifunctional belt sander which can be used for high-speed steel drill bit blade edging, rough grinding, fine grinding tungsten steel turning tool, polishing body root, etc. It is simple to install and operate. This is a perfect home DIY tool. Besides, its motor uses dual bearing, premium speed, and high torque. Additionally, it has anti-vibration adjustable height foot pads. You can remove the foot pads as well as screw the machine on wood or table for proper use. Additionally, you can easily adjust the work table angle, hence very simple to utilize. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.